Hello friends, next we are going to solve this challenge print function. So I am clicking on this solve challenge. So this is related to print function, easy, Python basic, maximum score 20, success rate they have given. So now here in this question, the included code stub will read an integer n from stdin. Stdin means standard input, that is keyboard. Without using any string methods, try to print the following. Means we are going to take n, and from 1 to that number we should print that. Note that this represents, so double quotes represent the strings represent the consecutive values in between. Means whatever this we are going to print on the console, this is a string, it is not number. So that is our task. So means here they have given example n is equal to 5, print the string 1 2 3 4 5. So input format, the first line contains an integer n, means we are going to take integer n from user. Constraint is n should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 150. So output format, print the list of integers from 1 through n as string without spaces, right? And next sample input and sample output they have given. So 3, if you are entering 3, so it should print 1 2 3. So this is our task now. So for this we will write code here. So now we got n. So first we will check if n is n is greater than equal to 1 and n is less than equal to 150. So this condition we are first checking. If this condition, both these conditions are true, then go further. Now what we need to print means whatever this n we got, so we need to print this from 1 to that number as a string. So now for example we got here n. So now here we will take one variable, temporary variable. We will take it as a temp and we will take it as a empty string. So we will try, we will check our whatever logic we are applying, does it work or not. So now here we will iterate over this range of n using range function, I in range. I in range and we will update this temporary string, we will do concatenation. So we will take here 1 to, so range we will take from 1 to n plus 1, n plus 1, and what we are going to concat here, string of I. Means we are going to convert this, whatever I we are getting, we are converting this into string using this str function. And with this, once we got this temporary variable is now going to contain, so for example user has entered here 5, for example user has entered here 5, then this condition is valid now. So here I value will be from 1 to n plus 1, n is 5, so it will go up to 1 to 5, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, right? And next what we are doing here, we are updating this empty string. What we are doing here, this is temp plus, this is temp is equal to temp plus str of I. Str of I means whatever I we are getting, we are converting that into string and we are concatenating with the n, I, right? In this way we will get one string. So now we will check, are we getting final output or not as system is expecting. So now I will run this code now. So 3 1 2 3, your output is 1 2 3, expected output is 1 2 3. So now we will submit our code. So our so this is whatever logic we have applied, that is valid logic now. So you have passed the sample test cases, click the submit to run your code against all the test cases. So once we submit, it will run, it will check our code against all the test cases. So we will check that is it passing all the test cases. Yes, there were 2 test cases and our code uh, has successfully completed those 2 cases. So congrats code with, you just solved all the introduction challenges in Python, right? So in this way we have solved this. So in next session we are going to solve new challenge. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Thank you.